In this video, you will learn how to log into your trading account in Admirals in MetaTrader mobile application on your Android. Firstly, let's see how will the login look like in MetaTrader 4 application. You can type MetaTrader 4 in your Google Play and download the application here. Then, please open the app and find three lines in the top left corner of the page. Please press the option in blue called Manage Accounts and find the plus icon in the top right corner of the page. Then please choose Login to an existing account. In the next field, you will need to choose Server, so please type Admiral Markets name and choose the server depending on your trading account. You will need to enter your login credentials that you can check in your trader's room. You can also save the password for the future logins. Press Sign in order to authorize. In case you would like to log into your trading account in MetaTrader 5, please type MetaTrader 5 in your Google Play and download the application. You will find the plus icon in the middle of the page that will allow you to log into your trading account. In order to choose the server, please type Admiral Markets name. In the field Login to an existing account, you will be able to choose Demo or Live server. Please enter your login credentials in order to authorize. Now you know how to log into your trading account with the help of MetaTrader application for Android. Please feel free to contact us with any questions via global@admiralmarkets.com.